So Matt, within the T7X exchange and ecosystem, you already have a handful of assets that are going to be tokenized and available upcoming. The process, however, that I think most of us are used to from a token launching and being able to trade and royalties coming in within the T7X platform due to the higher level of understanding of regulation, security, etc., is going to be a little bit different. Can you walk us through that?
Yeah, so normally what happens is they turn around and mint a token and start trading it. That's not the case here. So before an asset can actually trade, when it is a real world asset, it will be considered a security. It has to have the proper audits, financial disclosures, and registration statements filed. Now, we will, in the beginning, which the exchange is set up to do, will allow accredited investors to participate worldwide in the PPM offering, where they can buy into the asset itself, start receiving the cash flows as accredited investors. Additionally, there may be some Reg CFs involved, depending on the asset, that allows us under exemptions and proper disclosures to take in certain types of investors. Now, it does not trade yet. This just can fund some of the processes, as allow us to also bring in certain assets and operate as it would be a investment that is allowing investors to acquire assets and receive compensation, but it does not trade.
Okay.
Now, once we've decided, or the team, Pablo and the team have decided that that time is enough. Now they want it to now become trading. They have to finish their audit, finish their financial disclosures, file a registration statement in whichever jurisdiction which applies for with the MICA or other places. And after that is done, then they can set a trading time, because it is now considered a security and is allowed to be traded on the T7X exchange.
Okay.
That is much different than the existing market. That's
Correct.
the right way it needs to happen to be in regulatory compliance worldwide. Now, for T7X, the US they will not allow it to do secondary market purchasing. So if a US investor buys under a registration exemption at the PPM, they're allowed to sell, but no one in the US will be allowed to buy, because the US requires other types of compliance, meaning alternative asset exchange trading, in order for them to feel comfortable. So in the current market, US investors, only accredited investors or under the Reg CF, they can purchase. Then when it becomes trading, they can sell, as the exchange now is compliant and legal outside of the US. And that'll be that process, and it may take a year, it may take 6 months, depending on those assets, but they will follow that trajectory so that there is not the risk of an unregistered security being sold to investors worldwide.
Perfect. Okay, guys, again, touching back on that, this exchange is built to last. The founders of this exchange have gone through great lengths, a lot of businesses, a lot of registration, security experience to protect your investment.